Did you know most people waste over 2 hours every single day on unnecessary tasks? The problem? You don't need more time. You need fewer distractions. In this video, I'll share 5 minimalist productivity hacks you can do in under 10 minutes a day, and they'll give you back hours of your week. We're talking simple, low-effort tweaks you can start right after watching. No fancy apps, no complicated systems. Welcome to Minimalist Habits, where we help you do more by doing less. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. That email reply, filing a document, rinsing a coffee cup. Yes, I know washing up sucks, but trust me, just get it done. Now you might be thinking, why? Well, the reason this is so effective is you prevent small tasks from snowballing into hours of catch-up. So let's give you a challenge. Pick 3 quick tasks you usually postpone and handle them right now. Yes, right now. Go ahead. Pause the video. Once you are done, we can get straight on with tip 2. Tip number 2, one-touch rule. Every time you touch something, physical or digital, decide its fate immediately. That means opening a file and either completing it, deleting it, or filing it away. No moving it to later. And yes, this does include those annoying emails where you have to action something and you inevitably end up flagging it for later. This keeps clutter from taking over your space, and more importantly, helps you keep your mind clear. Tip number 3, the 3-item to-do list. Now I get it. You probably have a list as long as your arm, but the issue with that is it's overwhelming thinking of all the things you need to get done, which in turn means nothing gets done. Instead of writing a massive list, pick the 3 most important tasks for your day. This was an absolute game changer for me, and my productivity skyrocketed when I implemented this simple strategy. Why? Because a shorter list forces prioritization, and finishing all 3 feels like a win. So it's time for another challenge. No, don't worry, I won't make you pause the video again. What I want you to do is, before you head to bed tonight, write down 3 tasks that you have to complete tomorrow. Tip number 4, daily digital declutter. Spend just 10 minutes each day clearing files, emails, or notifications. That's it, 10 minutes. Over time, this keeps your digital space clean without requiring a weekend-long purge. Come on, who is feeling brave and will put how many unread emails they have at the moment down in the comments section? Tip number 5, the micro reset. Between work sessions, take 2 to 3 minutes to reset your desk, stretch, or drink water. A tiny reset prevents burnout and helps you refocus for the next block of work. And there you have it, 5 simple but highly effective tweaks you can do right now to increase your productivity. If you found this video helpful, please let us know by leaving a like. Also be sure to subscribe, because doing more by doing less starts here.